Konnichiwa.
Kurumbai.
You look really pretty in this traditional dress. Do you know what this is called?
Dख'n.
Okay. So it's the traditional dress of our Bodo people in our region. So since you arrived yesterday already, how are you feeling here?
I feel so happy. So food is so delicious, and the people are so kind, and they have passion.
Okay, do you like the traditional food of our place?
Yes, I love it, and also this dress. Dख'n.
Okay. So today we'll start the session.
Yes.
So you have a conversation session today?
Yes.
How excited are you?
I talked about my new book,
Okay. So can we know the name of your new book?
Acacia in the Morning, relationship with different people, different culture.
Okay. So we are just looking forward for your session shortly. So what message would you like to give to the viewers online who are watching? There are people who are watching online and Facebook and on social media. What message would you like to give? You can appeal them to come here.
Please visit someday in the literature festival and visit this Bodo
Bodo
place,
land.
Bodo land, please.
Thank you so much for being with us.